Morning all. So today's program is string manipulation function. So in theory, we have already seen the different types of string manipulation functions and how to use it. And we have also seen programs without using it. Okay. So today's lab program is with using the string manipulation functions, how you can manipulate the string. So the different string manipulation functions which we will be using is length, copy, reverse, concatenate, and compare. These are the five we will be doing. So we will start with the program. I'll explain you and then I will show you the output. So basically I'm taking two strings of character type S1 20 and S2 of 20. If you need more, you can take it according to the need of the program. Here I will be using with two strings only. So two strings I have taken S1 and S2 and one more character for infinite loop. I will be running my program in a different way this one. Every time you don't have to again and again execute the program. I will be putting my program into an infinite loop until the user doesn't want to come out of the program. He will be inside the program only. Okay. So for that, I am using one more character CT. Again for choice, I'm going to use this program with the help of switch case statement. So for choice, I am asking to enter a integer value. So its data type is integer. D and I have used according to the need of the program I will be discussing. Okay. So I am displaying a menu at the beginning and the menu says one is for string length, two is for string copy, three is for reverse, four is for compare, and five is for concatenation, like that. Okay. Now here you can see I am using a do while loop. So that is what I mentioned, that I am again and again not going to use the program, run the program. I am going to put it into a loop. Okay. So my loop is a do while loop until the while condition which I am specifying does not happen. It will be running it inside the loop only. Okay. So inside the do, I am writing the choice. I am asking to enter the choice. I am scanning the choice. Okay. So here it will take the value as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As I have already mentioned the menu, the user can see and type the requirement from there. So among 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now my switch is the choice, and particularly which choice I enter, it will directly go to that case. My first case which I am going to discuss here is the string length. So what the string length will do, it will count the number of characters in your string and it will give the count of it. Okay. So I'm asking to enter the string, and through scanf statement I am entering the string. So S1 I'm using here. You can use S2 also, doesn't matter, it's up to you. S1, S2, you have initialized two strings, so any one you can use, or both also you can use. Okay. So here I am using one string and I am using a printf statement to display the length. Now here you have to be careful that the format specifier which you are using is %d. Why? Because the string length will be a count. Like if the length is 5, it will display 5 or 10 or 20, like that it will be display. Okay. So you should not get confused. Why is it not %s? Because I am using a string. Because this value is going to be a integer value. Okay. And what is the function I am going to use? That is the string length function. So how am I going to use string length? That is strlen, and in bracket you have to give which particular string's length you want to find. So string length of s1, and once that case is over, you break from here. Okay. So the case 1 is for finding the length of a given string. Now I'm coming to the string case 2. Case 2 is for string copying. So what you should be doing, you should be having two strings ideally. One string should be having some content and one string should be empty. So you should be copying the content of the first string to the second one, and you should be displaying that also. Okay. So how you are going to do, you are asking to enter the string 1. So string 1, one string you will be entering, and then you will be directly using the string copy, that is your string manipulation function, string copy. And what is the syntax of it? strcpy you will be using, s2 comma s1. So whatever is in the content of s1 will be copied to s2. It's like your assignment operator. Okay. What is in s1 will be copied to s2, and again you are using a printf statement here. So what is the value of s2, that will be displayed. So what is the string value, what is the string 2 value? that will be displayed here. Is it okay? Now here if you want, you can display string 1 value also. So again, one more printf statement you can give, and you can display string 1 and string 2 value. But here my aim is what? The copied string I want to show. So I am showing the copied string only. Okay. The third case, coming to the third case, now that gets break there. Okay. Now the third case is for string reverse. So again, I am asking to enter the new string. A new string is being entered. I scanned the value of the new string, and I am displaying the reverse string now. For reverse string, what is the string manipulation function? strrev I will be using, that is string reverse, and in bracket I will be using which particular string I want to reverse. Okay. So if you have entered s1, you have to reverse s1. If you have used s2, you can reverse s2. So what is the same string you have entered here? You have to give it here. Okay. Again, I am breaking and coming out of that case. Okay. Now it's now my case number 4. Case number 4 is for string concatenation. Concatenation means appending. One string will be appended at the end of another string. Okay. So I'm here I will be needing two strings because it's a concatenation, right? So I am asking to enter the first string. I'm scanning the first string. Again, I'm asking to enter the second string. I'm entering the second string, and then I am concatenating. For concatenating, what is the string manipulation function I'm using? strcat I am using. Is it okay? And what it will do? String 2 will be concatenated at the end of string 1. If you want it to be reversed, then you can give s2 comma s1. Whatever is at the second position, that will be concatenated at the end of the first one. Okay. So this is your function for string concatenation. That means one string is appended at the end of the another string. Okay. Now it will break and come out from there, and your last one is your string case 5. Case 5 is for string comparison. Okay. Now string comparison, how it does? String comparison is one string will be compared with the ASCII value of the second string. Each one's character by character, the ASCII value will be compared. If both are equal, then it should be a 0. That means match is there. And if the alphabets are different, it will find and display the difference of it. Now how you will be thinking, how we will be displaying the difference of the character? Again, it's the ASCII value. So it will be converting A, B, C, what you are entering, to its ASCII value, and it will be finding a difference between both the string, and accordingly it will be displayed. If the first string's alphabet is greater than the second string's alphabet, it will be giving you a positive value. Or if it's the otherwise case, it will be giving you a negative value. Okay. So we will be seeing it in the output, how it works. Let's see here how we are going to do. So I am asked to enter the first string. So I entered it. I scanned and entered. Similarly, the second string also. Now what am I doing? I am taking one more variable, that is d. Now d is what? An integer value. Same like your count you were finding, right? String length. Similar to that, here you are going to find the difference of both of it. So again, it will be an integer value only. And d will be storing what? D will be storing the compared value. What is the function for it? strcmp, that is string comparison s1 comma s2. So the string of s1 and s2 will be compared each character by character by taking the ASCII values. Is it okay? Now see here, if I am writing high and high two times, so h and h difference will be calculated, I and i's difference will be calculated. So h and h difference will be 0, and I and i's difference will be again 0. So if I get the output as 0, that means it is matching, right? Both are same. That is what the comparison means, right? I'm comparing both the strings. Are they equal or are they not equal? So if both the ASCII values are same, the minus will be found, and I will be getting a 0 answer. If I get a 0, that means it is equal. And if I don't get a 0, that means it will be some other value, right? That means it will not be equal. Okay. So what am I giving? The condition given here is if d is equal to 0. Now d I got it from here, right? So if d is equal to 0 means all the character by character I found the difference, and the ASCII value of each one I found it as 0. That means it means that both the strings are equal. So printf equal. Else what is it? Else some other value will be there, right? In that case, what it should display? It should display not equal. And also, if you want, you can display what is the difference between it. Not necessary. If you need it, you can do it. Okay. So here if I display D, that means it will give me the difference between the ASCII value of string 1 and string 2, of which particular character the match is not found. Okay, and after that I am going to put it into a infinite loop, I told you, right? So once after all the cases are over, you close the switch. Okay, you close the cases, and inside the switch only you will be writing the condition for it. What is the condition? Do you want to continue? Is it okay? You have given a condition, yes or no, and you are scanning the value as a character here. So Y or N or A, B, C, D or anything, it can be scanned. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 also it will scan. But only your condition when it will be satisfied, when your CT is equal to Y. Whenever your CT is equal to Y, it will again and again go to the loop and will ask you for the new cases. And other than Y, if you type anything else, it will come out of the program. That is how the program will work. I'll run and execute the program. Okay, you can see the menu is been displayed. 1 is for string length, 2 is for copy, 3 is for reverse, 4 is for concatenation, and 5 is for compare. I'm entering the choice. My choice is 1. So enter the string. My string is hello. So the length of the string, it is displayed as 5. You can count and see the length of hello will be 5. Okay. Now it is asking me, do you want to continue? Okay. That is the use of the infinite loop. Else what will happen? Once one case has been executed, it will come out of the program. Okay. So it's been done. So yes, I am saying enter the choice. 2 is the choice. My choice 2 is to string copy. So enter string 1, it is string. So string 1, suppose again I am entering as hello. So string 2 is hello is been displayed. Okay. So that means that string 1 is been copied to string 2. Now again it is asking, do you want to continue? So yes. Again my choice is 3. So 3, it is asking for reverse. So again I am asking hello. So my reverse string is the opposite or the reverse of hello. Okay. Next again it is asking me, do you want to continue? Yes. Then again my choice is 4, and 4 is for concatenation. Okay. So it is asking me the string 1. So hello I am entering, and string 2, hi I am entering. So it will do hello hi. So the second string is being concatenated at the end of the first string. Okay. Now again it is asking me, do you want to continue? Yes. Enter the choice 5. 5 is a choice, and 5 is for string compare, right? So the first string I am entering is hello, and again the second string also I am entering as hello. Okay, I'll be showing you both the cases. If both are equal, then it will be displaying as equal. Okay, now let's check for unequal. I want to continue, yes, and my case is 5. My first string is hello, and my second string is hi. In that case it is not equal. Okay, and also what is it showing? It is giving me the value -4. Now what is the meaning of -4? The 4 and 4 value I got it as 0. Then it is taking the ASCII value of E and the ASCII value of I and finding the difference both of it. Okay, so you can know that the difference between E and I is 4. So it is giving you -4. Why -4? Because again your E is smaller than I. So it will be giving you a minus value. If you would have given hi and hello, then it will give you only 4. Okay, let me show you that also. So yes, 5 is the value. My first string is hi, and the second string is hello. So it will be giving you not equal, and then it will be giving you the value 4. Okay, I hope the program is clear. You can execute and see.